How to log in to RedNote account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your RedNote account. To log into your RedNote account, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open your RedNote application on your mobile device. And now in this home page, tap on this login button. Now you will be taken to this login interface. Here you will need to enter your correct country code and your phone number in order to log into your account. Or if you have set your password, you may also log in it with your password. Here I am going to use the phone number. Tap on the country code and select your country code here and now enter your phone number. After that, tap on the little circle that says I have read and agreed to the following policies. Once doing that, tap on the login button and now you will need to wait for the verification code. Once you receive the verification code, you will need to enter it in this field. If in case you don't receive the code, you may also tap on the resend option at the right side. And after successful verification of your code, you will be able to log in to your account. Now you will be able to explore the RedNote application and its features. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.